Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top tips on how to make your YouTube shorts go viral in just 24 hours. As you can see, this short has over 1 million views in just a few days. So, how can you replicate this success? Let's find out. Tip number 1, create a hook in the first few seconds of your video. This can be something funny, intriguing, or shocking. It's essential to grab the viewer's attention right away. For example, in this short, the creator starts by pretending to be asleep and then suddenly wakes up. It's unexpected and gets the viewer interested in what's going to happen next. Tip number 2, use trending hashtags in your title and description. This will make it easier for people to find your video when they search for that particular topic. In this short, the creator uses the trending hashtag #4U page in the title and description. As a result, the video shows up in the For You page of many users, which increases its visibility. Tip number 3, keep your video short and sweet. YouTube shorts are meant to be quick and easy to watch, so make sure yours is no longer than 60 seconds. In this short, the creator tells a funny story in just 60 seconds. It's engaging to the point and easy to watch, which is why it has over 1 million views. Tip number 4, promote your video on other social media platforms. Share your short on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to increase its visibility. In this post, the creator shares a clip of their YouTube short on Instagram and adds a link to the full video in their bio. This drives traffic to their YouTube channel and increases their chances of going viral. And there you have it, my top tips for making your YouTube shorts go viral in 24 hours. If you have any other tips, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.